Hey, this is JC. Welcome to Urban Knife Guy, where we explore the urban lifestyle and jungle survival. Today, I'd like to show you a Power Pack Pocket EDC toolkit. That's right, lots of functionality and features within this kit, and look, it just fits in my hand, and of course, it fits in my pocket. First, if you watch this channel regularly but have not subscribed, please do so to help the channel out. And if you'd like to support the channel even more, do check out my shop links in the pinned comment or description below. You can even join as a channel member. Thanks a lot. So I've shared all the different elements and tools in this package before in individual videos, but this is the first time actually I put it all together to create a really functional pocket toolkit. Now, why did I put this together? There are times that I think that I might engage in activities where I need some tools. I don't usually carry a toolkit in terms of an EDC or my Swiss Army knife or the leather tool, skeleton tool, but that's about it. But sometimes if I know I'm going to something but I do not want to carry a heavy load because I'm not sure if I need so many tools, this is something that would actually fit the bill for a lot of DIY work or simple maintenance that I need to do. And if you're someone who requires tools for your trade craft or just your everyday work, may need you to use some tools, especially for some finer work. This toolkit might actually work for you because it's so small. It is not super lightweight simply because of the tools, a lot of metal, but it's very compact, can fit in a pocket, can fit in a pouch very easily. So this is something I thought I would share and you might find this useful. First, let's talk about the tool pouch. So this is my DIY, do-it-yourself, put it together EDC pouch, and it's basically made from a single piece of fabric or elastic specifically. Well, actually two pieces, because there's one big one and then one for the front pockets. Now, I've done a video on this before, and I've also written up a set of instructions with drawing plans on how to make this. You can download it at urbaknifeguy.com. It's free for you, so you can download it, adjust the dimensions if you need for your tools, and put it together. At the same time, you also get instructions to my urban survival kit. But that's how you put it together, and that's my DIY pocket kit. And there are different tools in front and inside. Let's start off with the front, and we'll talk about this multi-tool. This is the Next 2 Mini Sailor, but the scissors version. So I felt it was important to have a strong, very powerful, large pair of scissors rather than just these small scissors associated with many multi-tools. And also, if someone wants to borrow a cutting tool to cut something, more often than not, a pair of scissors will work and they'll be familiar with how to use it. Some people are just scared of knives. But of course, this being a multi-tool, you will get a knife inside. There's a sheepswood blade, very utilitarian. And of course, you have your usual driver tools. You've got a small screwdriver, flathead, and Phillips head. And you also have a tiny pair of pliers. This really I consider more of a pincer. But it can be useful, again, for very fine, delicate work. Now over here, and I really love this, this is one of the world's smallest ratchet tools. That's right, it is a wrench and it takes 4mm bits. And I have the bits over here in the stainless steel capsule. So inside, I chose a collection of different bits from a set. So for knife maintenance, there's Torx T8 and T6. I've also got an Allen key and a smaller precision kind of optical screwdriver. And that complements, of course, the screwdrivers that are in this multi-tool, so I didn't get the same size for these. So a couple of different bits. So all you need, if you want to use the ratchet, is to just put it inside. It holds in place very nicely, and you can just use it as a ratchet. And you can flip this to tighten or untighten, right? Just like a normal ratchet. So that's really, really useful. And finally, over here, I have a credit card tool by Next 2. And this is great because the main primary tool is a pair of pliers. Now, it's not huge like a Leatherman multi-tool, but definitely pretty good, like a needle nose pliers, and it is actually quite functional, and the fit and finish of this particular product is really good. As a bonus, you have an extra knife, and you also have a parcel opener, cap lifter, and a little ruler as well. And you get some more screwdrivers, and you get a glass breaker here and screwdrivers on the side over here. So again, a multi-tool with redundancy in this kit, but overall it gets lots of functionality. And there you have it. That is my Power Pack Pocket EDC toolkit. Now, I am constrained by the size I was going for. I wanted something very compact, something you can put together, put in your pocket very easily without big pouches or tins and things like that. Now, I know this is not going to be completely comprehensive for all your tool needs. However, if you're engaged in activities or work that require this kind of a tool set, you might find this useful. Well, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think of this pocket toolkit? And if you've got any suggestions, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like the content in general, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.